In a recent daily report card, an improving junior trader noticed his progress on losing less on his worst days. This is important progress. The junior trader wrote, "Was really quite a back and forth type of day and never really gained much traction. However, I was green, which I was surprised at the end of the day of because I really felt like many things didn't really go my way. This is a good feeling because I know that a lot of the trades didn't work out, but still was able to remain flexible and stay green. This is something that I've been working on and has led from big red days becoming smaller and smaller. The ability to be flexible and admit when I'm wrong has saved me on many trades." So we often set a goal to make more in our best trades. Trade them bigger, trade them more often, trade them with more size, take on more risk. Another way to make progress, important progress, is to lose less when we're not seeing screens well. And there's a real reality to us as traders that we're just going to have off days. This junior trader has been making terrific progress in his trading of late. The numbers are improving month over month. And this is just one way that this is happening. He is losing less on his worst days. And you thinking about rules to put into place for your trading, about how you can help yourself lose less, that can be a really large step forward for you in your P&L and your trading progress. This is one anecdote. This is one lesson that we're seeing from our trading desk that we're sharing with you. I hope it helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well.